The world of reality television has been filled with dramatic weight loss journeys, heartfelt family struggles, and inspiring transformations, but few stories have captivated audiences quite like that of Tammy Slaton, star of TLC's hit series 1000 LB Sisters. Fans have watched her for years as she battled serious health challenges, navigated ups and downs in her personal life, and worked toward a better future. But now, the spotlight has shifted toward one of the most talked about events in her life, her wedding with Andrea Dalton. While details have been kept mostly under wraps, fans are buzzing with anticipation and curiosity, eager for even the smallest peek at what promises to be an emotional and unforgettable moment. Could this wedding be the celebration that cements Tammy's long-fought journey toward happiness? Tammy's fans have followed her transformation closely, from her initial health struggles to her life-changing weight loss surgery. With every step, supporters have wondered whether love would also play a central role in her recovery. For a woman who once feared she might not survive her medical battles, the prospect of walking down the aisle in a wedding dress has become a symbol of triumph. Andrea Dalton's arrival in Tammy's life brought new layers of hope, companionship, and stability. Their relationship developed in a way that surprised even longtime viewers, who had often seen Tammy's romantic life complicated by toxicity, fleeting romances, or partners who didn't seem to have her best interests at heart. With Andrea, however, there has been a refreshing sense of authenticity. Fans who caught early glimpses of the pair together noticed how Andrea seemed invested not in Tammy's fame, but in Tammy herself. So what might Tammy Slaton and Andrea Dalton's wedding actually look like? That's the question reality TV fans have been asking as whispers of ceremony details circulate online. Some insiders have hinted that the wedding will embrace both simplicity and personal touches, reflecting Tammy's small toe and Kentucky roots and Andrea's quiet but supportive personality. Unlike the flashy celebrity weddings that flood headlines, this one is expected to focus on intimacy, love, and meaningful connections. Family members, including Amy Slaton, are anticipated to play pivotal roles, though Amy's history of both supporting and clashing with Tammy may introduce its own drama into the mix. TLC cameras, of course, are rumored to be rolling, which means viewers may eventually get a front row seat to the vows, the tears, and perhaps even the chaos that inevitably follows a Slaton family event. The wedding dress alone is bound to spark endless discussion. Tammy, who has stunned fans with her remarkable weight loss over the last year, now has the freedom to choose gowns she once only dreamed about. Whether she opts for a traditional flowing white dress or something bolder, her look will serve as a milestone in her transformation journey. Fans who remember her wheelchair-bound days, reliant on oxygen, can hardly imagine the scene of Tammy standing tall in front of her loved ones, holding Andrea's hand, and promising forever. The symbolic power of that moment is enough to bring longtime viewers to tears. Beyond the fashion and ceremony, what makes this wedding so compelling is the emotional weight behind it. Weddings are always celebrations of love, but in Tammy's case, they also represent survival, resilience, and second chances. For years, doctors doubted whether she would live long enough to enjoy milestones like marriage. Her struggles with food addiction, mobility issues, and critical health emergencies left fans genuinely fearing the worst. Yet against those odds, Tammy not only fought her way back to health but also found someone willing to walk alongside her in the process. Andrea Dalton's willingness to stand by Tammy through such a difficult journey has only deepened fans' respect for her. Of course, with any Slaton event, there is bound to be tension and drama. Speculation is swirling about whether all family members will attend and whether Tammy's complicated reality onships might resurface during the big day. Will Amy, who has at times voiced frustration with Tammy's choices, be fully supportive as her maid of honor or bridesmaid? Will siblings Chris and Amanda, known for their outspoken nature, approve of Andrea as a long-term partner? TLC audiences know that weddings can be breeding grounds for family conflict, and this one may prove no exception. Still, viewers also hope that love will overshadow any disagreements, creating a ceremony defined more by unity than division. In the lead up to the event, fans have been scouring Tammy's social media posts for clues. While Tammy has remained relatively quiet, she has dropped subtle hints about dress shopping, floral arrangements, and moments of joy shared with Andrea. These breadcrumbs have only fueled speculation about what's to come. Some fans are even hoping for an outdoor wedding, perhaps near a lake or countryside setting that symbolizes Tammy's new chapter of freedom and growth. The imagery of Tammy walking outside without assistance, breathing easily, and embracing life fully would serve as one of the most powerful moments in the show's history. Andrea Dalton's role in the wedding is equally fascinating to fans. Unlike some of Tammy's past partners, Andrea has chosen to stay largely out of the public eye, avoiding the spotlight that comes with dating a reality TV star. This low-key approach has endeared her to many viewers, who see her as a grounding force in Tammy's often chaotic world. At the wedding, Andrea is expected to keep that same steady presence, focusing less on spectacle and more on the bond she and Tammy share. Their vows, while private for now, are sure to resonate with audiences who have invested in Tammy's journey from the beginning. Another question fans are asking is whether TLC will dedicate an entire special episode to the wedding. Given the network's history of showcasing major family events, such as births, surgeries, and relationship milestones, it seems almost inevitable that Tammy and Andrea's wedding will be highlighted. If so, fans can expect behind-the-scenes glimpses of everything from wedding planning to dress fittings, family reactions, and, of course, the ceremony itself. The ratings potential alone makes it a strong bet, as viewers who have followed Tammy through her darkest days won't want to miss the moment. She says, "I do." Yet with all the excitement, there remains an undercurrent of skepticism among certain fans. Some worry that Tammy may be rushing into the marriage, while others question Andrea's long-term intentions. Such doubts are not uncommon in the world of reality TV, where relationships are often scrutinized under a harsh public lens. However, those closest to Tammy insist that Andrea has been a genuine and positive influence, bringing out a calmer, happier side of Tammy rarely seen before. If that is true, then their union may stand as one of the more authentic love stories to emerge from TLC programming. At its heart, Tammy and Andrea's wedding is about rewriting narratives. For years, Tammy's storyline was defined by her health struggles, her setbacks, and her moments of despair. Now, her story is turning toward love, joy, and possibilities. The wedding, whether big or small, lavish or simple, serves as proof that even those written off by the world can still find happiness. It's a message that resonates far beyond reality TV and into the lives of anyone who has faced overwhelming odds. As fans continue to wait for a confirmed look at Tammy and Andrea's big day, one thing is clear: the wedding will not only mark a personal milestone but also serve as a cultural moment for 1000 LB sisters. For a show that has always balanced heartbreak with humor, chaos with connection, this wedding represents the ultimate payoff, proof that growth, redemption, and love are still possible no matter how difficult the journey. Whether the first peek comes through leaked photos, social media posts, or a TLC special, the anticipation is at a fever pitch. And when the day finally arrives, Tammy Slaton walking down the aisle with Andrea Dalton by her side may just become the most unforgettable chapter in 1000 LB Sisters history. RY. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.